Good evening, everyone. Welcome to day 25 of our ICT capacity building training. Today's class is going to be very practical and useful because we will be learning how to use formulas, and functions, and also how to do simple arithmetic in the computer. Before we start, let's quickly recap on the 24 where you were taught about the types of cursors in Excel. For example, the white plus sign for selecting cells and black plus sign for autofill and the arrow for selecting menus. Okay. So you also learned table customization, where you can adjust the size, borders, and colors of a table to make it neat. And finally, you covered serial numbers, which are numbers arranged in order like 1, 2, 3, 4 that help in organizing lists. So now let's move to Microsoft Excel interface for today's lesson. So we will start with formula. A formula is an instruction you give Excel to do a calculation, and every formula in Excel starts with an equal sign. You cannot start a formula without equal sign in Excel. It won't work. So for example, let's say if you want to add, let's start with let's say if you want to add, let's say 10, 20, 20. Okay, so now if you want to add 10 and 20, so in Excel you will add with plus sign, then click tap the first cell, or you can just let's do it like this. Plus, then you can say is equal to 10 plus 20. Then hit enter. It will give you 30. So Excel will give you the answer automatically because you use formula to calculate. So let's did another example like this. Remember, you will always start with equal sign. It's equal to. Then you can tap the cell that you want. Then add plus sign. Then tap the another cell and hit enter. It will give you the same thing. So that's two ways of calculating any value in Excel. So okay, then now let's subtract any value. Let's say, so you remember, always you have to start with equal sign. So it's equal to, then you write, let's say 100 minus 45. Enter. It will give you 55. So that's how you will calculate your value using formula in Excel. Then if you want to multiply your value, let's say I think okay, let me use it like this. Multiplication in Excel is written with the asterisk symbol, which looks like a star. So if you want to multiply any value, so in Excel we don't have times sign. We only have asterisk symbol, which look like hash. So let's try and see. It's equal to, then you can see 5, then use that hash star symbol times 10. Hit enter and the answer will be 50. I hope you are getting me. If you want to multiply anything in Excel, so there is no times in our keyboard, so you will see and hash symbol, so use it and it will times that value that you want. So let's move to division. The same thing with division is written with the forward slash symbol. For example, if you want to divide 100 by 5, you will not write 100 times divide by 5 in Excel. Then you will type, let's say 100 like this. 100 is equal to 100, then the slash 5, then it will give you the exact answer. So that's all about formula. So let's move to function now. Function is a ready-made formula that performs a calculation automatically. And function always start with equal sign and have a name like sum, average, etc. For example, let's start with sum function. So let's start with sum function. Sum function, it will add up a range of numbers. And note that when writing a function in Excel, the function name must always be in capital letters. For example, let's say we want to add this value. Let me add another one here. Let's say 50. So you will start with equal sign. It's equal to. Then you will type the sum. Remember, the function name must be in capital letter, sum. And you must, after writing the function name, you must open and bracket. Then from here, you can tab your value, then and drag it to where you want to stop. Then close your bracket and hit enter. It will give you automatically the correct answer. So the same thing with average. If you want to calculate the average of value, let's calculate the average. Let's say, okay. Remember, equal sign, then average in caps, average, open bracket, then click on the value, close bracket, and hit enter. Okay, sorry, I'm not supposed to use this one. Then those values. So you see, it gives us the average value of all those values. So that's how you will calculate your average in Excel. The same thing with marks. Marks, if you want to find the largest value, for example, is equal to, remember, in caps, marks, open bracket, then select on the values, then close bracket and hit enter. You see, it gives us the largest value in the range. So that's how max works. And min, find the smallest value. Let's try it. Example is equal to min in caps, open bracket, then select, close your bracket and hit enter. You see, it gives us this smallest value among them. So that's how functions and formula used in Excel. I think we are done for today. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. For today, if you have any question, please go ahead and ask. Any question? Okay. Okay, Umul Khairi, you don't have any question? So any question from others? So since there is no any question, so we can close for today. Thank you for joining and have a nice day. Bye-bye.